Hello friends, how are you? Today I'm gonna make a calculation video. It's gonna calculate for the minimum pipe sleeve size. So this is again a refrigeration HVAC mechanic red cell exam practice question. So I have two questions here. Two sample problems, and starting right away with sample problem number 1. Calculate the minimum required pipe sleeve size when installing a 2-inch nominal pipe with 1.5-inch insulation through an 8-inch concrete block exterior wall. So here we analyze the given. We have 2-inch pipe diameter, 1.5-inch insulation, and 8-inch concrete wall. The unknown, the required, is to calculate the minimum pipe sleeve size. So the solution is that we use this formula here, where D, big D, is equal to small d plus 2t plus c, where D is the minimum pipe sleeve size, D is the nominal pipe diameter, T is the insulation thickness, and C is clearance. So for this example, we will assume a 1-inch clearance, and clearance can be greater or smaller. So for this example, I'm just assuming 1-inch clearance. Okay, for here, substituting the given in the formula with the 1-inch clearance assumption, D is equal to D plus 2T plus C. D is 2-inch, we're given here 2-inch, and insulation 1.5-inch. So we got plus 2 times 1.5-inch insulation plus 1 is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 1 equals 6-inch. Now the reason why we are multiplying by 2 for the thickness of the insulation is that the thickness is around the pipe. Okay, that is why we are multiplying the thickness of the insulation by 2. Okay, so if you've never seen a pipe sleeve, I have a picture here. Let me show you for a little bit here. Okay, so this is courtesy of whatispiping.com. You can see the pipe sleeves. They are bigger than the pipe itself, and you can see the clearance all around the pipe. That is the pipe sleeve picture. So thank you for the picture from whatispiping.com, all courtesy. So back to the problem. So that's why in this case I assume a 1-inch clearance. Clearance can be adjustable. Okay, and for here we get sample problem number 2, essentially the same problem. but with changes in the given. So here we are given the problem: calculate the minimum required pipe sleeve size when installing a 4-inch. This is a bigger pipe now. 4-inch nominal pipe with 1.5-inch insulation, same insulation as sample problem number 1, through a 10-inch concrete block exterior wall. In this case, it's a 10-inch concrete block exterior wall. It's a thicker wall. So the given here: 4-inch pipe diameter, 1.5-inch insulation, and 10-inch concrete wall. Required is the minimum pipe sleeve size. Solution is the same formula like we used for example number 1. D is equal to small d plus 2t plus c. So our clearance is still assuming 1-inch clearance. So substituting the given, we got D is equal to 4, that's the nominal pipe diameter, plus 2 times T. T is the thickness of the insulation, plus 1. So we got D is equal to 4 plus 3 plus 1. We got 8-inch as the minimum pipe sleeve size. Okay, so hope you learned something from this video, and again, thank you for the picture from whatispiping.com, and it's their courtesy. Okay, so happy reviewing and have yourself a nice day. Cheers.